Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for January 25th, 2019. Congrats to Nikkie Tutorials on becoming the latest face of Marc Jacobs Beauty. The new global artistry advisor will apparently be making her way to Fashion Week in NYC. KKW will launch Classic Red, a true red cream lipstick, $18 on their site today at 12 p.m. PST. By Terry introduces Lip Expert, a liquid lipstick in 2 finishes, bold, matte, and vinyl gloss, 32 shades, $34. Pretty Zombie Cosmetics shows us their new packaging and the 3 new shades of liquid lipstick launching next week. And many things on the Lipstick Queen website are 50% off right now. Moving from lipsticks to nude sticks, here's a selection of what's new and what's coming soon. And coming soon from iHeart Revolution, choose your favorite creature, dragons, unicorns, mermaids, or angels, and the tools to create the look coming soon to their site. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time Monday. Don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.